It's gonna look like this. I take the longer strand first and I bring that up and around. And this top remains folded at the top here. And then what I do is I kind of like twist this up a bit. So I take that little twirl and then I pin it on the inside. Just like that. I still want to make sure that I kind of secure this up top. So I'm just gonna take a straight pin, and you can use another one of these really tiny safety pins, but I'm just gonna use a straight pin. Just put it up top, just to kind of secure it at the top. Then I take the strand that's still kind of hanging and I bring it towards the back, and I either just leave it in the back like that, so it's just kind of chilling in the back, or I will drape it really beautifully, just kind of like along my shoulder for that cute little drapey look, and have this coming down around. So that's the look. This is super, super simple. I'm just gonna really quickly show you guys a couple more styles that work really beautifully with these wraps. So one thing you could do, just exactly how I had it wrapped around my head, is you can take this side and actually bring it around tightly to the back. So it's super tight. I'm not pinning it just for time's sake. And then you bring that other side around. So you still have that volume around your head, or you can still drape this around your shoulder really beautifully if you're into that look, and still get that really beautiful side drape. So if you are the type of person that doesn't need the double wraparound, then one thing you can do when you got it pinned underneath your neck is take this around, bring it back to the front, and then you've got it loosely hanging in the front like this. So you can play around with this, you know, leave this one down or this one around your neck, bring them both to the back, which is a really, really beautiful look, very elegant. Of course, you can always do the signature bow that I love so much. You can bring both strands and tie it into the knot and get a really cute style like this. So that's really cute. And I guess this was really more of a knot than a bow. I think we're gonna need a little bit more for the bow. So let's bring this around and just do it right here. Oh, this is gonna be a nice big bow. Oh man, this bow is not messing around. Let's bring this over like this. Okay, that's really cute. Ooh, look at this bow. I'm literally learning while I'm giving this tutorial for you guys. But I really like this, this is cute. This is amazing. I'm still blown away by the fact that I don't have an underscarf on and I'm wearing a chiffon wrap. Like, y'all don't understand. This is a total game changer for me. So